In this video, I will show you how to connect your computer or your laptop to the PLC 1200 Allen Bradley PLC. Just look for the properties of my computer and select Device Manager and then select Port. When you select the port in the Device Manager, this should show the COM that was connected to the computer. Since the cable from the PLC is not yet connected to your computer, it should not indicate the cable here in ports. But if the cable was connected, it should indicate the proper COM if the driver is properly installed to your laptop. So it shows USB serial COM3 port connection. This shows that it has successfully connected, or the driver that was installed between the PLC and the Allen Bradley and your computer was installed on your computer. Otherwise, when you connect your PLC to your laptop, and if there is no appropriate driver installed on your computer, this should indicate an exclamation point, indicating that it has not identified the hardware that was connected to your computer. So if it happens that there is an exclamation point when you connect the cable, look or found the appropriate driver and installed it on your PC. Then after this setting, remember the COM3 because you will select it when you configure the setting in the communication setting in the PLC. Just open the RS Linx Classic Lite software. This software will configure the communication setting between the PLC and your computer. Just click the icon that shows a cable. This will open a window, Configure Drivers. Just select a drop-down menu for available driver types. As you can see, there is many available driver types in the selection. If the cable that was used between the PLC and the PC and Ethernet, you should select Ethernet devices. Because we are using a cable, the RS232 cable in connecting PLC to the PLC, you should select RS232 DFI devices. Then, set the COM port setting. Remember that it was COM3. So, similar to the COM3 port that was indicated in the Device Manager, just select COM3. Then, press Auto Configure to know if the cable was or the correct driver was connecting to the PLC. So, if there is no successful connection, if you click Auto Configure, it will never indicate a successful connection. So just press Auto Configure. So if there is success in connection, it should indicate running. Then after that, proceed to the RS Logix 500 software. Just click the offline drop-down menu and press upload. After that, select the ABDF1i. Since this is the driver that you have selected, remember, in the RS Linx software. Then just create new file and you have successfully connected your computer to the PLC. You can press yes to proceed to go to online. And yes, you have successfully connected your computer to the PLC. Thanks.